And we are in front of the new Panama P9 for 5 persons. Yeah, this is the new P9 for 2026 edition, giving you the option to sleep actually 3 people here and 2 people on the drop-down bed, because we have a wider sitting situation with just smaller specs like small fridge that you can take out, and here inside additional systems for your camper van. And if you are looking into the back, you can check the wider in position with additional storage on the lower part. And here you have the fresh water out and a greatly designed cooking stove. If you need to cook something pretty fast, you will be able to do that and slide it back in. And going around, well, you have this mattress that goes on top of the folded down. So it's making an almost 3-bed situation. And this is the standard for transit custom campervan, made for a more traditional style of a caravan camper. So it's like pretty usual 5-person carrier that you can actually camp in it.